Look, a lot of us are trying to figure out how do we build, grow, or scale our company. And the reality is, a lot of times we just spend more money on ads, but that doesn't result in an increase in our revenue or the company actually growing. Now, there are three levers that are going to guarantee success inside of your organization. That's increasing the revenue of the company, that's increasing your return on ad spend, or increasing your LTV. But the question is, why has this maybe not happened as quickly as we want it to? And what we find is we have three major core problems. This is a lack of clarity, a lack of consistency, or a lack of certainty inside of our sales organization. And this leads to all kinds of different problems. So we have things like poor speed to lead, poor connection rates, a lack of quality conversations, no pre-call process, poor show rates. The list goes on. Unqualified leads, poor close rates, a lack of a follow-up process, no upsell, resell, or cross sells, low LTV, a lack of reporting, no visibility, no accountability, no feedback loops, and definitely we are not making data driven decisions. So, what ends up happening is we end up in this cycle where we spend more money on ads, we put more leads into the system, and then we kind of spiral down this, and then we put more money in and we keep spiraling down. And we're wondering why our company is not going up and to the right like we want it to. Okay. Now, what we actually need is a repeatable process. We need to reduce creative burden. We need to increase visibility and we need to create feedback loops, which is going to allow us to create data driven decisions, have increased productivity, have better accountability inside of our sales organization and our organization itself, and have a higher level of certainty. Okay. Now, if we're able to accomplish that, what we end up with is better conversions. We have happier salespeople. We have an increase in LTV. The founder can actually focus on what matters inside of the business, and you can finally breathe. So the question is, how do we actually do this? And typically, we are going to implement what we call the 5 systems. So we have a speed to lead system, which increases connection rate and increases, the amount of quality conversations that you're actually having. We have a pre-call system that increases your show rates and make sure that prospects are actually showing up qualified and ready to buy. We have a follow-up system that increases your LTV, increases the amount of conversions that you're actually having, increases your ROAS, gets you a better ROAS, and decreases your actual cost per acquisition. We also have a post call analysis and feedback loop system. So, this is going to create better reps. It's going to give you more enriched data inside of your system to be able to make decisions. You're going to have clear marketing direction. You're going to have an improved cost per lead and better conversion rates. And then, lastly, we have the reporting system. So, we have clear reporting and dashboards. We have an increased team accountability. We have more sales team competition, and we can make these coveted data driven decisions that everyone wants. Now, if we are able to achieve all of this, if we have a system in place, we end up with the big three: clarity, consistency, and certainty, which means that we can actually scale our ad spend comfortably. We can convert more deals. We have an actual direction inside of our organization where you can finally focus on what actually matters. You know that your team is doing what really matters. You have sales and marketing alignment. You see that scaling actually becomes fun and easy, and we know what is working and what isn't. We can also take that trip or spend time with our family that we built this business in the first place to actually do. Okay. Now, there's only one thing left, which is, well, how does your company, how does RevPilot actually help us create these kind of results consistently? And that all starts with the process mapping. So we have an onboarding call, a process mapping call, and then we have a complete revenue operating system. So this is literally from click to close. What happens to that lead? What is that entire journey? How are we recycling leads? How are we following up with them? What process checks are in place, etc. Now, to do this, we have to have the account structure in place. So we need things like pipeline stages, statuses, data structure, workflows, automation, seamless integration with your third-party applications, and users, permissions, and settings. Now, we also need the 5 systems I talked about. So your speed to lead system, the dialing system, the pre-call system, the follow-up system, and then the post-call feedback loop system. And once we have these actually implemented here, that means that we can finally get our data and reporting in a place that actually helps us run the business. Now, we also need to make sure the sales reps are using the system and they understand why they are using the system. If they understand why they're using the system, they're more likely to actually use it. So we need to have a sales team training, we have a sales manager training, we have a sales team Q&A session, and even adoption software that ensures this happens every single time. Now, when we move into system hardening, we are testing. And I can't really draw on this thing, so bear with me. That was pretty bad. But we are going to test and make sure everything inside of the system works exactly as we expect. Lastly, we have the handoff. So we are going to document the handoff. We are going to hand off all the training videos, all of the videos that we've created for you. We're going to hand off all of the system. Literally, you guys own everything. It is your system. Okay. So if you want clarity, consistency, and certainty inside of your business, we need to ensure that these systems exist. And that is going to allow us to, again, scale ads, spend comfortably, convert more deals, have actual direction inside of our organization, etc. So if you are struggling with some of those challenges I mentioned earlier, or maybe you're just not moving as quickly as you think you should be, and you keep spending more money on ads, you keep bringing leads in, then click the link below. Schedule a time to talk with me or someone on my team. We're going to take a deep dive into where you're at, where you want to get to, and maybe, again, why we're not able to get there as quickly as we want. And then we will point you in the right direction, regardless if that's working with us or someone that we can connect you with. We'll see you on the inside.